the dentist and they removed one of my tooth. It was what's called wisdom tooth. Now I wait for pickup. Bye bye. I cooked tomato soup. I put vegetables and I have to rinse them in the to make them not so, but I will add another one. So it's rinsed with warm water. Now I will cook shorter when I add pasta. I have spaghetti, but I don't have the round ones because I cannot see them in store so far. So this is pasta. I cut it in small pieces. Then I add tomato from Progresso soup, like so. And some of that I have to add to my soup. So I add salt, some pepper, black pepper, not much. Then Italiano, then oregano, a little bit. That will be my meal for later because I have to be on soft food diet as I have tooth extraction. Wisdom tooth. When was okay. Now I have to make pork chops. So here are pork chops. I'll make them. Here are 3 things that I will put them in the non-pan, in the non-plate. But I have also this and this. What? To YouTube. You know it by now. This is soup cooking. Here are potatoes cooking. Here pork chop. And here calamari. But I don't eat pork chops today because I have the tooth recovering. Hello friends, so wanted to give you just some update about yesterday, because yesterday I had this tooth, wisdom tooth from here removed, and it was the first time I ever in life had tooth removed. It was taking some time to remove, like I think 1 hour or so. He was digging there and using different tools, like this kind of tools that you use sometimes at home to take out things, wrench or something, but dental kind. And he was, because it was like here and it was hard to get, so even here it was paining because I had to go over. Yeah, and I think they said to eat soft food for a few days and no rinsing, no brush teeth, just rinsing with water with salt. And they prescribed some pain medication, so I have it here. They prescribe actually ibuprofen, 600 3 times a day, and he in past prescribed this kind of toothpaste, this kind. It has more fluoride, 1%. That's not much actually. Use as toothpaste substitute. I don't know. And when I was in CVS, I got this toothpaste, Crest Cindy White. Although I think I wanted the red one, but I didn't have. I got planner, calendar for next year. Because I like this kind because it's in a hardcover and it's small. And I've got water, essential water, and also coconut water. This kind. Because it's good to have some coconut to heal faster. And I don't know if I will hurry to next 3 tooths of wisdom to be removed because it's painful. Just that he was digging for 1 hour was annoying because I didn't know what to expect, and when he will actually take it out. And then it was more painful when the numbing come out, because some people take the teeth when they totally under anesthesia, and I wasn't. I was just locally here number with that incision, I mean with job, and it's still a little swollen here, but today it doesn't pain. It was pain yesterday, so I took my ibuprofens, regular ones. I took 3 of them, and then 2, and then at night 1, and today I took 1, but today I just feel almost no pain, just slightly pain, and have to eat soft food, not crunchy, because they said to avoid crunchy and hard food. So today I will eat maybe bananas and ice cream, and here are bananas, and I will eat on dinner the mashed potatoes with avocado. See you later, bye. Hello friends, today is second day after wisdom tooth removal, and I eating breakfast, and for breakfast I will eat eggs scrambled, 3 of them, some cheese. So Bunny started eating strawberry yogurt, and I have coffee, which is cold one, with some, how it's called, creamer, and sweet and low. On top of it I will add some whipped cream. What I'm doing, because I didn't look, because I look in camera instead of here. So this is cold, not gonna bother teeth when I have to do paste for Mary, not me. So yeah, I'm eating this, maybe cheese and cold water. Now it's nice sunny day. I saw the turkey somewhere. Where is he? I don't know. It was very dark down further in forest, but now I don't see it. Today is really warm, like 60s Fahrenheit, but windy. Okay, bye.